if you're visiting back, where do you go in India? If you're gonna go back, where would you go? Which part would you revisit, I guess?
Oh, where wouldn't I go? No. I would most definitely go to Udaipur. This is where Animal Aid Unlimited. It's where I work with the animals, and I'm very much in love with all the workers there. We have a tight connection. So I definitely go back to Udaipur in Rajasthan. I definitely go up into the mountains in the Himalayas, Parvati, Manali, these beautiful places. And then what I really want to do is, I'm not so familiar with the South, so I would definitely go explore the South, because I got stuck in the crazy North, just
Yeah, people
once it hooks you.
People complained so much in the comments. They were like, "You've only been to the North." I was like, "No, I've been to the South more, but I've only just taken videos in the North. That's why it seems like I've only been in the North." So, and last question: is there any final advice for women traveling to India that's different than, well, what you've already said, but that's different than traveling in Korea or Nepal? Something that's specific to India?
I think really just, my advice is, know that it's possible that someone's gonna cheat you, and that's okay. And that's really, it's a small price to pay for the experience. I would say don't allow it to be a time where you kind of soften the edges and you allow yourself to flow, even if it's a scam, even if you end up being like, doi, oh, how did that? I think it's okay. Let yourself have fun and experience it, and always just be really mindful. As a woman, you can smile and you can share your eyes and your looks, and you can speak to anyone. Just, listen to your instincts, because you'll know when someone's following you. So you just use your common sense and don't doubt yourself. Know that what you're feeling is probably right. And if you don't feel secure, don't be shy to be, I don't feel safe here, I'm going to my room. It's okay. There's nothing to prove. There's nothing that you have to feel like you need to defend yourself. Just go until you feel comfortable, like you're in control. And walk, if you're in a crowd, I always tell women, when you're in a very crowded place, walk with your little chicken arms, protect your chest, and if anyone comes to you. And just, if you do these small things to make you feel safe, then when you feel safe and when you're prepared, go. Then you can let go and really just, go with the flow.
Go with the flow.